Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate y'all. So today I'm gonna do a little Amazon wig review on this blonde body wig that I got. So she's already washed and toned, period. And I already cut the lace. I used picking shears. They got like the zigzag scissors because I don't like cutting the laces on my head. I just feel like it gets messy and it's just too much. So this is her. And then I'm also gonna be doing a review on this what's this called? Waterproof lace glue. Yup. The girl been going viral on TikTok for her glue, and I've been looking at her for a minute. I said a couple months or whatever. And I was like, let me keep waiting. This is the brand. If y'all would like to try it. So I'm gonna use this glue today. Usually I just use like Evan, but I'm about to be at school. It's about to be hot. I'm about to be at parties. Evan is not gonna last. Like my wig gonna be sliding back, or I'm gonna have the hat on or a cap or something. And I don't have time for that. So that's why I just got the waterproof lace glue. It's supposed to last a week, whatever. So I'm gonna braid my hair back real quick on camera, and I'll be back to y'all when I'm done.
Let's get started. Oh God. Okay, let me see here. Ooh. Period. Alright, I'll be back when I'm done braiding my head for real.
Okay, so I finished my braids. I'm just putting them up in bobby pins. Don't look at the parts. Don't do too much. Not too much. Y'all see it? Okay, so now I'm about to just slick back, like right here, you know, my edges. So they're tucked, and then install my wig cap. And I struggle with that, so I'm gonna do that off camera so I'm not looking crazy. So I'll be back when I'm done putting my wig cap on. Okay, so I'm not disappointed in this wig cap at all. Like, if y'all knew how I struggle with this and it coming up and falling back and blah blah blah, yes, I'm proud of myself. So now I'm gonna use some of this cream foundation. This is like the lightest they had, and I'm gonna just put this on here. I was gonna get the spray, but that spray was looking crazy. I'm like, it'd be looking good in y'all YouTube videos and stuff, but when I picked it up in the store and I like opened the spray like to see what it was talking about, I was like, yeah, this ain't gonna work. This is not gonna work. And then it was like, at first it was spraying clear, so I was like, okay, let me just shake it up. Obviously it just might need to be shaken up, and then the color will come out. But literally, it took forever for the color to come out. And I was like, I don't know if they just got these old bottles sitting here, but I don't have the time, okay? I need everything ready to go pronto. So yeah, I'm gonna just do this until I feel like it's like colored enough, and then I'm gonna put some on my wig. And like those little white lines right there, I'm not even gonna attempt to slick those down with my spray and the comb because I know it's gonna come up. Like, it comes up every time I do it. So I'm gonna just use my lace glue and just, like, you know how you do the dots back and forth, because that's mad annoying. Like, when it keeps coming up and you gotta keep going back to the blow dryer. At that point, I'm like, all right, I'll just put the wig on and see. And then the thing about Amazon wigs is they always come like mad small though. So I be having to make sure I don't leave too much of my cap on. And that's another problem for me. I leave too much cap on trying to cover up my edges, and then my wig don't fit. So let's see how far the wig comes up, because I might have to cut some more of this off. Let's see. All right, and like I told you, I had already cut the lace off already. Okay, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. Thank you, Lord. When I tell y'all, I was watching TikTok videos, YouTube videos for 3 weeks straight for this wig, because I'm just like, I don't have time to be looking crazy. Like, I'm going to school. It would be different if I was putting on this wig, like, just because I wanted to get cute. But going to school and HBCU, to me, I'm not about to walk around looking crazy. I don't know about y'all, but I know about me. And that's not what I'm gonna do, okay? And that's another reason why I got me some waterproof lace glue, because I get that your lace is gonna come up. I'm not one of the people that be like, dang, her joint is lifting, like she look crazy. I'm not one of those people, but I just know how it's so obvious to see when your lace is lifting. So I'm like, no. And then I know I'm gonna be at the beach. I know I'm gonna be in the water, because my school is by the water, so we go to the beach. So I'm just like, let me just get this waterproof lace glue, see what she's talking about. And I got it on a discount. It was like 30, not even 30, I think it was like 28 for both of them. And I'm like, shoot, this gonna keep my wig down? That's what matters to me. Ooh, I gotta cut my ear tabs, I almost forgot. But yeah, I like the pinkening shears for like cutting the lace off, because you know sometimes you can either take too much off or too little. Cutting it without it being on your head, you can see how much you're cutting. So it don't look as, it's not as hard, and it doesn't look as crazy when you put on your head. Like, and then since it is so zigzag from the shears, it looks so like natural when it's on your head. Like the eye cannot see, like it, to the eye it looks more natural the more zigzags. And I was like, oh shoot, okay. And I'm surprised like more people aren't using it or doing it. Okay, y'all see the blame, y'all see the blame. Y'all see it. When I get the, come on now. When I really get this melted, it's over with, okay? All right, so let me see how I want it first. Before I put this glue on, how far up, crazy. All right, where the glue at? Let's pray this work good. I saw her do it in a video, like putting it on, because some people were saying it wasn't working for them, or it wasn't lasting, or it wasn't sticking, or whatever. No way, this just fell. So I'm gonna do the 3 layers and let them clear up. So I'll be back once I do the 3 layers and I'm about to put the wig on. Okay, so I think this is as dry as it's gonna get. Yeah, so let's go ahead and put the wig on. Let's see what it's talking about. reference. When I'm plucking my blonde wig, I'm gonna probably do it like over top of a black rag or a blue rag. That way I can like really see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna just apply some more right here. Let this dry. We'll get clear. Okay, so now that I'm fully flat ironed and hot combed, I'm gonna go in with this spray and probably a little bit of mousse to get rid of these flyaways with my hot comb. So I spray that. And then this, it doesn't make your hair crunch or anything, this spray. It's literally a comb through touchable hole. So that's just what I use. Cause I know if I use like the Ebin, my hair will be crunchy than a mug. All right, now let's see if I can get these edges together. Lord, give me strength, cause that is another one of my hard parts. All right. Oh, this thing is so wet. Okay, so I'm gonna let it melt some more and my edges get a little bit hard so they don't move. And I'm gonna clean up all of this and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. As far as the glue, I'm not gonna know if it's really waterproof until I like get out, but it has a good hold, I'm not gonna lie. I did 3 layers and so far I am satisfied with it. As far as the wig, I'm absolutely satisfied with it. It has density and length. This was 22 body wave. It's obviously really long. And it's full. The only thing is parting. You can't really do a deep part because it's gonna show the tracks. So you gotta be careful with that. But that's how they've been making wigs lately. Been getting on my nerves. Like, do the whole 13x4 including the back. Like, they love to do it at the front and the back be like this much parting space. That is really annoying. So yeah, as far as parting space, it's like any other wig you'll get off Amazon. But I definitely say go get it and it's cheap. I'm gonna put the link in my bio. But yeah, I'll be back so y'all can see what sunlight that I have. This is what she's given. Don't sleep on Amazon. And it only took me like 10 minutes to tone this to this color. I just used regular purple shampoo, of course. So yeah, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, bye.